Okay, guys, today we're gonna be talking to you about how to make a YouTube short. First, you're gonna try to record the video or go to the files, like from photos or from clips
Woman
or
smiling at
files or something like that, right? And then you're gonna go to iMovie to make them better. You're gonna start a new movie and you're gonna pick a random video, like let's say this one. And you can add different things. You can add backgrounds. You can add gradients, files, and things like that, right? So when I make my YouTube shorts, this is how I usually make them. Usually I get like the key moments and like I put like a sound effect on them, right? Like let's say this one. No. Let's say this one. I like this one more. Something like that, right? And then the video goes on and on and on and on. And then there's another part that you put something in, right? Let's say this.
2,000 years later.
And then it goes again and again and again, and it keeps going. And then, yeah, something like that. And of course, I'm going to add a sound effect to the end to make the videos, spice it up. And that's how I make my YouTube shorts. And of course, it doesn't end there. So you have to you have to save it to your files. This is what I do when I make mine, at least. And then usually I go to an app called Nexus Clips. It turns your videos into shorts. I import a clip. Wait for a little bit. This is gonna be like around the time, like 10 to 15 seconds. It's a little bit of time. It usually doesn't take that long. And if that does ever happen, just refresh the page. And yeah. What dunk? This is a dunk against the Suns.
2,000 years
the Clippers.
later.
So usually I will put dunk against the Clippers, right? And as you've heard, the thing. I mean, that's not the thing. The sound effects came. Then I usually download it, of course. Sometimes it says 55 seconds, but usually it's like I always say like a fifth of the time. And then I download it. Go to YouTube. Create, upload. Files, open. Of course, give it a title. Playlists. If you put it on a playlist, let's say I put it on this playlist, then it's there, and then when you go to the playlist, it'll be there. Age restriction, you can put yes or no. Same thing with if you say no, you could put restricted yes or no. Wait, paid promotion, usually that's always a good thing. You should always have that on. Altered content, depends if it's made with AI. Chapters, not a good thing. These three, usually you shouldn't put on. Tags are good for you. That's good. Those are all good. Embedding, especially. and you go to video elements, add like one of the videos. Let's say I want to add this one, right? And then I go here, make it public or unlisted or private, whichever one you want to do, and then publish it. And there you go. It's a YouTube short. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, another one's gonna pop up on the screen.